So this bracket holds the top of the filter. I just used the rope and basically pulled it. It sits a bit tight, so maybe it's better to disconnect the connectors here. 15,000 kilometers, I guess. What's really concerning is that there is no gasket here. There's supposed to be a gasket, and I bought a replacement for it, but there is no original gasket here. So in the shop 15,000 kilometers ago, a guy who did the maintenance, I guess, forgot to put it back. Gasket case, and this is gasket element. Doesn't want to stay in place. It just doesn't. As it's difficult to keep the seal in place, I will try to use some silicone. Okay, I have no clue how to properly do it, how it's supposed to be done. But it seems that it's not really possible to put it, so I'll try to cut it. It's about 1 centimeter longer. The internal one was 1 centimeter longer and this one is half centimeter shorter. The reason is why I used the silicone grease instead of other grease, because the silicone grease is inert and can be used for rubber and plastic. The other types, I'm not sure.